Hello everyone. We have added new features to Accudemia to help you enhance your ability to serve your students. Students and staff can sign in remotely to your center and start virtual sessions as needed. This gives you the ability to provide your services to students on demand, much like you would handle walk-in traffic to your center. Staff can create a link that they can send to students, which allow the students to sign in virtually to the center and then join an online meeting. When students sign in, they can be added to a wait line and then be given access to the online meeting once signed in by the staff member. Let's jump in and see how you can enable remote sign-in for your Accudemia account. From the control panel, click on Virtual Sessions. Select the scope or center location and click View Settings. Scroll down to Remote Sign-In Links and check the box next to Enable Virtual Session Options for Administrators. To allow staff members or tutors permission to create their own meeting links for the online sessions, you can check the box next to Allow staff members to create sign-in links for remote sessions. If left unchecked, only administrators will have the ability to create the meeting links. Remember to save changes. After enabling the virtual session options for remote sign-in links, go to Center Attendance and you will now see Virtual Sign-In listed in the menu. Click on it to set up the meeting link for the virtual sessions by center. Click Create Link to start. Select the center. First, add instructions that will display for the student before starting the sign-in process. Next, you can adjust the sign-in flow just as you would for a physical sign-in station. Third, add the instructions that will appear on the screen alerting the student that they have been signed in by a staff member and should join the virtual session. Then insert the meeting link that will be used for the virtual sessions. If you wish to allow students to have the ability to join the session while in the waiting line prior to being signed in so that they might start downloading the meeting platform, you may enable this option. If left disabled, students will not be able to join the meeting until a staff member has signed in the student. Finally, set an expiration for this link. We recommend setting an expiration of a few days or hours depending on the amount of traffic utilizing this option. This will add a layer of protection should this link be shared or used outside of these virtual sessions. Click Create Session Link. The link will be displayed. Copy this link and share it by email with the students you want to allow to sign in. It can also be embedded on your center's website or student's portal as the access point for an on-demand online session. When students click on this link, they will be prompted to sign into Accudemia with their username and password. They will see the instructions and can begin the virtual session sign-in process by clicking Sign In and following the familiar prompts for the service and course selection process. After entering the information for their session, the student will be placed in the waiting line and their browser will be moved to the Wait to Join step. Once the staff member is ready to assist them and has signed the student into the center, they will hear an audible beep and see the message prompting them to launch the virtual session. They can click on Launch Session and their meeting will begin in a separate window. At the end of the session, after the student closes the meeting window, students can click on Go to Sign Out and then click on Sign Out. We hope this video is helpful. Links to documentation are provided below. Please reach out to support@accudemia.com with any additional questions. Thank you.